In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add the file shared with you to the map and stop sharing. Shared files are listed in a panel that appears when the Sharing Files option in the Data menu is clicked. When the button on the right of the Shared Files is activated, the file is added to the map. When the Stop button is clicked, file sharing can be stopped after I am sure option is selected in the incoming notification panel. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.